we'll guide you through how to create embroidery designs in Inkscape, a powerful vector graphics software. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best features and compatibility. Start by opening a new project with the dimensions you want for your embroidery design. You can set the units to millimeters for more precise measurements. Next, you need to create your design using the drawing tools like the Bezier tool for outlines or the shape tools for basic forms. Once your basic design is complete, you'll want to convert these shapes into paths if they aren't already. To do this, select the shape, go to the path menu, and choose Object to Path. This step is crucial because embroidery machines work with paths, not shapes. After converting, you can adjust the path nodes to refine your design. Use the Edit Paths by Nodes tool in the toolbar to tweak individual nodes for more detailed shapes. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to prepare it for embroidery. Inkscape doesn't directly export to embroidery formats, so you'll need to save your design as an SVG file first. Select File, then Save As, and choose the SVG format. Now you need to convert your SVG into a format that an embroidery machine can read, such as PS or DST. For this, you can use an additional software like Inkstitch, which is a free extension for Inkscape. Install Inkstitch from their website, add it as an extension in Inkscape, and then open your SVG file. With your design open, go to Extensions, then Inkstitch, and select Params here. You can adjust the stitch settings like stitch length, density, and direction to suit your fabric and design needs. Once all the settings are configured, go back to Extensions, choose Inkstitch again, and select Embroidery. This will export your design into the desired embroidery format, ready to be stitched onto fabric. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.